The Samsung Galaxy Note Fan Edition needs no introduction. In fact, no device we can think of has garnered more visibility while its actual release was so limited in size and scope. The Galaxy Note Fan can arguably be tagged as a simple reincarnation of the Note 7, and that is certainly a valid observation. Samsung chose to refurbish a large selection of returned devices. Using salvageable components from the beleaguered Note 7 series, Samsung was able to reduce gross waste, and even extract materials that could be put to use in other products. During the time that was taken to tear down, reclaim, and recycle all the returned stock, Samsung continued to make progress with its other smartphone products, particularly with its flagship Galaxy S series. The end result, by making only 2 significant changes, Samsung made something that is actually a little more, and a little less, than what the Note 7 was. Multimedia. Ideal for consuming video content, speaker is weak sauce. The beautiful 5.7-inch AMOLED display makes the Note Fan ideal when it comes to taking in video content. With support for HDR10, you can harness more enriching goodies as providers like Netflix expand their offerings. The single bottom-mounted speaker is barely adequate, and in order to hear anything, you really need to hammer the volume rocker. The sounds are clear, and there is nothing in the way of distortion. But among the current crop of available devices, the Note Fan speaker does not shine. On the flip side of that, audio through the 3.5mm headphone jack works just fine. Call quality. Call quality with the Note Fan is excellent. The device is not compatible with enhanced services like HD voice, but conversations were unhindered on both sides of the call. We also did not experience any failed call attempts. One interesting divergence from other unlocked devices that were designed to operate in the US is in voicemail. The device had no trouble accepting settings for AT&T's access point names, but pressing and holding the 1 key is not universal for accessing voicemail. On the Note Fan, we had to call the voicemail access number instead, after which, the device and system knew what to do. It plays no bearing in the usability, but just an interesting departure from what we may perceive as common.